is a very special day because we're going to Beth's mom's basement. We have been full-time RVing for 4 years. We left a couple of bins of things in her mom's basement just because, you know, when you sell everything, you don't know what you want to hold on to and what you might want later. So we are going to the basement today to see what we've left behind and what we should do with it.
Well, hello. I think we probably acquired more after we left and were on the road for a year, and then came back when we visited the next summer and dropped more at mom's house that time than we did when we left for the first time after we had sold everything. So I think that we originally started out with like a couple of bins, and I think after being on the road we like multiplied our possessions. So I'm curious to see what's in the basement. Baby.
Oh, hi. Oh my God, that was so creepy.
It's time to go.
Before we go to the basement, there is one important thing we need to do, and that is surprise the adorable golden doodle named Teddy that lives here, who absolutely freaking loves us.
Hello, Teddy.
Girl, hi.
Oh, that's so exciting. It's such a good day.
We gotta go to the basement. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
This is another thing we donated to Mom's
Cause.
We'll take it downstairs.
Should do a quick basement tour. It's very nice down here. This is the really cute extra room. Here's another guest room in the basement. There's also a bathroom down here. Beth has literally started a workout. I can hear it.
Within 10 minutes today, let's go ahead and warm this thing up. We're going to reach overhead.
Oh, that feels nice.
This is the general area where our things exist. This is not all ours, but as I'm looking, oh my gosh, a lot of this is ours, and I am confused because I literally thought we only had 2 bins.
Oh, there's our hitch.
I'm super interested to go through all of this and try to figure out why we kept it. So how do you want to do this?
Well, I don't know.
I'm going to try to look through the lens of, is it actually worth selling or can we just donate?
Here's a hammock.
Which we have
We have a hammock stand now.
Yeah. So we don't need that one.
Really?
Really.
Did I walk through a spider web?
Don't think about it.
I hate basements. This is that hanging chair. You hang it from a tree.
We never have a tree to hang it from.
This thing.
We both are having analysis paralysis right now. I can feel it. Okay, I'm going to set up the tripod and then we'll just see what happens. This is basement lighting. Let's see if we can. Now we look like ghost hunters.
Ooh, the EMFs are really strong over here. First up,
what do we do?
Okay, here's what I think.
Okay. Here, let's switch these. The camera.
Here's what I think we should do. Where's the camera? Up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should go through one round and say whether we think different things should be donated or sold.
That was literally what I just said 2 minutes ago. That was
I didn't
my
hear it.
idea.
I didn't hear it. But we should start at this table and make our way all the way around the room.
So you would like to be a clock? I literally said that.
Baby.
Where was your brain?
Teddy!
Teddy!
Will you give me a tiebreaker?
I did. We're never going to get anything done.
How about we just go through one? Oh, hi, sweet girl. The first round is just things that we should donate.
Okay.
So that we're not splitting them up in piles. It's just one sweep through. What can we donate?
Where will those go?
Here.
On the tub.
Donate.
Tell them about this.
That's cute.
You don't remember, do you?
Yeah, we went to a painting with a twist, and we created our own. I forgot why we were there.
We were working at the same company, and it was like a Christmas thing, and no one knew Beth and I were dating. It was a secret, and she painted this, and she made it plural, even though, I mean, this was pretty out loud. Anyone who saw this
Yep.
would have been like, who's the Barbaglias? There's just you.
My family.
And she said, someday this is going to be ours, and you're going to have my last name, and we're going to hang
That's
it
so
up
cute.
together.
That's so cute. But we're married and she never took my name. So this
I tried. I tried to hyphenate. I just have to do paperwork. Can we keep this and hang it up in the rig at Christmas?
Sure, but where are we going to store it, babe?
I don't know, but okay. I went through an essential oil phase, as you did some point in the last few years, and Beth made this for me. She made this, and we hung it on the wall, and I put my essential oils on it.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. There's a lot of angles in this.
And I can't get rid of it because it's very sentimental. And if we ever have like a tiny home or a cabin someday,
What if I just built you a new one?
No, it's not the same. What are we doing?
Baby, we were not supposed to be showing them sentimental things. We have to decide on this table
Okay.
what is being donated.
Okay. Hand me the thing. We'll switch to
Okay.
the table.
We've got an assortment of different devices here. That was ours.
What is it?
Do you remember?
Oh, we can donate that. George Foreman.
Yeah. Although it's a pretty good one.
Baby, this is how we get into trouble.
You gonna donate this?
You literally have a Blackstone. Why would we need that?
Because the Blackstone is for outdoors, sweetheart.
Donate.
Fine. In the same vein,
God, I forgot about the controversy this thing created.
Court and I were arguing about which type to get because I wanted a griddle and she wanted a grill. And I asked, why do you want a grill? Like, what's the difference between a griddle and a grill to you? And she said, I want the black marks on my food.
Grown a lot as a human. Do you think you could sell that though?
That's what I'm saying. This is like a good thing.
Had it listed and no one gave a shit because I feel like everyone got a Blackstone.
Yeah, but like it's raining like crazy right now.
And Mark, we
Question
won't put it
marks
in
go
donate
back
yet.
on the table.
Okay.
Next up, a slow juicer.
Donate.
Really?
Hanging
tree
chair. It would sell, but is it worth the effort?
How much would you sell it for?
Like $20. I guess we should have a separate pile that's like price check. Because if you can get it brand new, so let's make a price check.
Price check,
and let's put the griddle thing down there. Let's talk about these bad boys over here.
The wigs?
Yeah. You guys think, where do you want to go?
This is made of real hair. That one, probably not. This one, $200. This one, $1,200.
Woo! And how long did you wear those wigs for?
One of them I wore for a week. Other one I wore for 3.5 days. Yeah, this is a neck hammock.
Donate.
Baby.
May it rest in peace wherever it goes.
This is the result of our purchases.
I know. You purchased that.
No, you purchased
No.
that. No, you
Baby,
did.
don't you
baby.
lie.
Humidifier.
Donate.
Donate.
Look at us. It only took 4 years. Where are you?
Hello? What?
That's way funnier than I expected.
Look at this thing, guys. I think this doesn't work for me.
This is my winter concert program.
Oh my
Where's
goodness.
my name? Barry Sachs, Courtney Kane.
She's very, very cute. There's that thing back there, which I'm assuming you'll say donate.
Yes. What would you say?
I don't know, babe.
Baby, this is a team effort. What would you say?
Fine, donate.
I want to see what this sign back here says. This is like super sentimental to us. Oh, show them, show them. So together, they built a life they loved.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
How do you do it? We're cute.
This is little Bethy.
Oh. Ah.
Look at it. I had a little mullet.
Ah.
Look at it. I loved hats even when I was a
Aw.
kid. Look at me.
You did love hats. You're so cute. You look so mischievous. Here, show them that one. You look like you're up to no good.
I found the polar bear.
Bucket
God.
of pucks.
I actually think I have to give those back to the ice rink. Those were not mine.
The local ice rink?
Yeah.
You just took some pucks?
I didn't mean to. Told me to take it home
They smell weird.
because
Put it over here.
articles we wrote.
Oh, that's so cute.
Life with Beth and Court.
Look how cute you are in this picture.
Oh, that's actually the jacket I just put on.
That's so cute.
Oh, there's pictures in here. Baby little Courtney. God, this is you and your dad.
Bad X. Keep going. Keep going.
Hold on, I just want to look. Okay.
Don't look at the past. It's me and Dad and a snowman.
That is a really fucking cute.
That's little Courtney.
Little baby Courtney. Take one trip to town, get lunch,
Come
donate
back.
stuff, and then come back.
Yeah, that might be a good idea because I'm running out of steam.
And I like Jimmy John's.
Okay. We've made progress. This all used to be our stuff. This whole shelf, everything around the corner, and we haven't narrowed down to this row. And the green bin is actually stuff we're going to sell or donate. We just have to do research first. So really it's this and that so far, and the signs in the back. Lunch plan isn't really going to work because we just realized it's 4 o'clock. So we're going to try to get through the last 2 bins and at least sort them into donate, sell, ? And then I guess we can come back. We'll take the donate stuff with us. Beth's loading that up as we speak. But if we can get through the last 2 bins, then we've gone through like 90% of it. It is time for the unboxing of the hot pink snow pants.
Oh, I see him in there.
They're my favorite. They're my favorite. Get them out. Get them out. Get them out. Yeah. Freaking love those so much.
This is the jersey where I played in the celebrity charity game. I was on the Cerrone Mafia. This is the jersey I tried out for the Olympics in.
That's really cute. Not your
Spoiler alert, I didn't make it. This is another jersey for a team I played for in Chicago, the Evanston Tigers. This was my favorite team as a kid, and I think my dad bought this for me.
That is so cute.
Isn't it cute?
Yes. There is a trend going around right now where someone's significant other reads their diary entries from middle school.
Why would you do that? That sounds horrible.
This is my diary. I don't have a lot of shame, but I feel like I name dropped about all the boys I liked, but that would be really funny.
That'd be really funny for your wife to read.
That's what I mean. Let's just give a little sample.
Hey, it's the year 2001. I've been so busy. Me and Alicia have had a great summer so far. Well, except for Fluffy passing away. Oh, he got poisoned. We don't know about what, though. I miss him a lot.
So fucking sad.
As children, we really burned through a lot of topics really quickly.
Okay.
He died at the vet's in my mom's arms. Oh my God. On Thursday, June 7th, 4:43 a.m. I was so sad, and I still am, but I will always, always love him. Always. Didn't this entry start saying you and Alicia had a great summer? I've also been putting tons of flowers on his grave. Like, literally, this whole entry is about your cat dying. Enough sad stuff. Fluffy wouldn't want me to be happy. Oh, Fluffy would want me to be happy. Lucky's still alive and well. Thank God. I really don't have anything left to say for now, so I'm gonna go. Love ya. And then a signature.
Love who?
Wait, I do have something else to say. A while back, when Jonathan...
Oh, no. 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 Do not read this out loud. No.
Woo! Things got spicy. Where's Beth? Oh. Yeah, good girl. Where's Courtney? Where's Courtney? Where's Courtney? There she